There are very large values that we can't put into a variable of type int of this type. We can see the mistake. Integer number too large. In these situations, we must use a BigInteger class. BigInteger for integer without fractional part and the big decimal for big double numbers. BigInteger. For initializing this value, we can use factory method of a value from this class. Dot value of, and specify here this number. If it is very big, we can specify it as a string, and then BigInteger will parse it from string type. Long require. Okay, let's this factory method only to constructor. Method call expected. We needed to call its constructor. BigInteger. Okay. So also we can use a value of for small integer numbers. It is a factory method. Dot value of 200, for example. Big num 2. And for large values, so like this, we wrap them in quotes, make a string type, and send them to the begin type constructor. So we can make some operations, mathematical, arithmetical operations between these two numbers. For example, big nums 2. We can't write this. We must invoke these methods. Add for adding, for example, multiply for multiplication, these two numbers. Multiply. This is result for adding, this is result of multiplication. Also, we can use other operations. This is result of dividing, and this is result of subtraction. Also, this method has some constants. This is constants of BigInteger. One. It has 2, 0. Any number, if we multiply by 0, we can get the result 0. And also 10. So now the task is for you. Multiply the big num by 0. The possible solution. We just write big num dot multiply and BigInteger 0. We need this constant. We can open its realization. BigInteger int 0 from array. If we run our program, we can see the next result, 0. Okay. It was for big integer, and this is the same for big decimal. Big decimal. Just we have a fractional part. This 2. Control Alt and this method. You can write big dec. Required a big decimal provided big integer. Oh, yes, we need to change the type too. And big decimal has the constants too. How many constants? In the round methods constants. So multiply by 0 from big decimal. If we run our program, we can get the results, but with the fractional part, because it is decimal. Good job! See you in the next lesson.